Your visual system is not like a camera. Your perceptual experience is not a direct match to the physical environment. Instead, vision is all about problem solving. The job of your visual system is to make a best guess about the 3D world based on two things: knowledge about the most likely things in the environment, and information from the retinal input. Here at the Center for Vision and Cognition at the University of Southampton, we're interested in studying how our perceptual system works, but also imparting our enthusiasm for the topic through our teaching and laboratory activities. The perception group is interested in studying how human perception works. So the human visual system, for example, takes ambiguous sort of inputs into the retina and has to construct the 3D world around us. It's a remarkable piece of work by the brain, and we're interested in the sort of mechanisms that allow us to do that. We're all familiar with the ideas behind the concept of size constancy. The same image on your retina could be a big thing that's far away or a small thing that's quite close up. A good way to demonstrate how the brain uses the relationship between size and distance is to create conditions where the two perceptual cues are at odds. For example, you know a lot about chairs from past experience. Your visual system readily groups the different parts of this image into the perception of a chair. In doing so, you're misestimating the distance to the back of the chair in this image and the person on top of it. The outcome is that you interpret the person to be closer and smaller in size than they really are, leading to a perceptual illusion. This and other illusions illustrate the problem of visual perception. How does the brain create the rich perceptual experience that we enjoy given just the 2D retinal images as input? Perception is more complex and can be best conceptualized as problem solving. Our visual experience is based on the retinal images, but also on our knowledge about the world, our understanding of how the world works, given our developmental and perhaps evolutionary experiences with it. When objects in the world don't match our expectations, sometimes we get visual illusions where our system's best guess is wrong. We get students involved early on in their course, so they may serve as participants in studies, so this is a course requirement, but that allows them to get a little bit of a flavor of the different aspects of psychology and how a study might be conducted. We also give them an opportunity to perform experiments, so they'll start out in sort of supervised setting with an experimental design given to them. They'll perform the data collection, write the experiments up, and hand that in as part of their course. They can also work with our researchers, so they end up with plenty of opportunities to come in and help and create new psychology research.